In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expand collapse FAQ section in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want to make your website look cleaner and more professional, adding an FAQ section that expands and collapses is a great option. It helps visitors find answers quickly without forcing them to scroll through a large block of text. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click inside Hostinger Website Builder so you can place this section on your site with ease. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. This is important if you manage more than one site, because you'll want to make sure you're editing the correct one before making any changes. Next, click on Website to access your site management area. From there, choose Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder editor, where you can customize the layout and content of your pages. Once the editor is open, click Add Section. This is the option you'll use when you want to place a new content block onto your page. Since you'll be adding a custom FAQ section, go ahead and select Blank Section. Choosing a blank section gives you an empty space to work with, which is useful when you want full control over where your FAQ appears and how it fits into the rest of the page. After the blank section is added, click Element. This menu contains the different types of content you can insert into that section. From the available options, click Embed Code. This is the tool that allows you to insert custom code, which is what makes the expand and collapse behavior possible for your FAQ section. Now, click Enter Code and paste your FAQ section code into the code box. Make sure the code is complete before saving it, so the section displays properly on your website. If needed, take a moment to check the spacing and placement in the editor, so the FAQ section looks neat and aligns well with the rest of your page. Once everything looks good, click Update Website. This publishes your changes and makes the new FAQ section live on your site. After updating, it's a good idea to preview the page and test the expand and collapse function yourself to confirm everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added an expand collapse FAQ section in Hostinger Website Builder.